Okay, Elise, are you ready to see what came in that big box that truck brought? Let's go see. What is that? What is in that big box?
What did we get?
Open up the box.
What is it? What do you think it is?
Have no boxes. This bucket is so heavy.
It is so heavy. I wonder what it is. Let's see. Master certificate. I see an engine. I see frameless. I see a shock in there. Let's see what it says on the outside of the box. Let's see what it says. It says Mini XRX /R plus. I think it might be a go-kart.
Okay.
Yeah.
Tommy?
Yeah, I think it's got to be put together. We'll have to put it all together, okay? Let Daddy get to work, and then you'll get to play with it, okay? Let's go find it. Let's see. It's all together now. All right, let's go to this door. Are you excited? All right, let's open it up. Here we go.
Wow, what do you think, Louise?
Cool.
What do you think? We'll put you buckled up in just a second. Cool.
And that's cool.
Yeah, it's a TrailMaster. We'll get it going in just a second.